less than 1.9. All right, so we have 56. Find the value of x in the diagram. So we have a triangle ABC, similar to a triangle DEF. We're going to go ahead and draw them. So this guy right here is ABC. This is x, and this is 2. And then this guy right here is DEF. This is 9.2, and this is 11.5. All right, so let's find corresponding sides. Since I don't really trust this drawing, whoop, no, Cortana, nobody is talking to you. Let's go back to my whiteboard. All right, there we go. Since I don't really trust this drawing, I'm going to go by the order here because I know the order over here is always going to be correct. So AB, the first two, is going to correspond with the first two over there. So AB in purple, DE in purple. Neither of those have measurements. They are useless to us. Then we have BC in pink, EF in pink. So BC corresponds to EF. Let's go ahead and draw a pink box. And then we have AC corresponding to DF. So there's AC and there's DF. All right, now that we have that, let's draw our green box. And remember, they're equal to one another. All right, so in my pink box, I'm going to put my pink measurements, and I'm going to go from the little guy to the big guy. So I'm going to go like this to this. So 2 over 9.2. Now I'm going to do my green measurements, and I'm going to go again. Why is my thing stuck? Oh, there we go. I'm going to go again from the little guy to the big guy. The little guy, x, to the big guy. So x over 11.5. Now we have a proportion. Oh, that's 11.5. We can cross multiply. So we're going to have 9.2x is equal to 11.5 times 2. All right, so we have 11.5 times 2 is 23. And then divide by 9.2. And we get that x is equal to 2.5. I don't know why it just changed colors, but we're going to go with it. All right, moving on to 57. And we're back to green. Okay. Still on green. Okay. There you go. 57. So this one says that a tree casts a shadow that is 14 feet long. Tree, shadow. So the tree's shadow is 14 feet. And at the same time, a 2-foot tall pole, so pole, 2 feet, casts a shadow that is 1.75 feet. And they want to know how tall is the tree. So let's go ahead and draw this. So we have a beautiful tree here with its 14-foot shadow. How tall is the tree? I don't know. We'll just call it X. Then we have this little pole here with his little shadow. The shadow is 1.75 and the pole is 2 feet. All right, let's draw some corresponding sides. I'm going to put shadow with shadow in a pink box. And then I'm going to put, if it would like to change color, height of the actual object in a blue box. So let's do our pink measurements first. I'm going to go this way. So from this guy to this guy. So I'm going to do 14 over 1.75. All right, awesome. And then I'm going to do this guy to this guy because that's the same way I did the other one. So that's x over 2. Now I'm going to cross multiply. 1.75x is equal to 2 times 14. 1.75x is equal to 28. Divide by 1.75. 1.75. Cancel, cancel. And let's see, we get 28 divided by 1.75, which is 16. X is equal to 16. So our tree is 16 feet tall. All right, so now okay. Number 58, tea break, 1 second. All right, much better. A circle has a radius of 9 inches. So here's our circle. Here's our radius of 9. The radius is multiplied by 2/3 to form a second circle. All right, so 9 times 2/3 is going to be 18 over 3, which is 6. All right, so 6. So here is our new little circle with a radius of 6. How do the ratio of the areas relate to the ratio of the radii? All right, so first let's find out the ratio of the radii. So we're going to call this guy Bob, and this is Ross. And we're always going to put Bob over Ross. So Bob's radius is 9, and Ross's radius is 6. We can divide top and bottom by 3, and we're going to get 3/2 is the ratio of radii. So radii ratio. All right, now the equation for area of a circle is A is equal to pi r squared. So let's see. Bob's area is going to be pi. His radius is 9 squared. That's going to be pi 81. And Ross's area is going to be pi. His area Ross's area is equal to pi times his radius, which is 6 squared. Whoa, that was hard. That's going to be pi over 36. So let's write down that ratio. Again, we're going to do Bob over Ross. So 81 pi over 36 pi. Pi's are going to cancel. We get 81 over 36. Those are both divisible by 9. We're going to get 9 over 4. Now remember what we talked about. Length is feet, area is feet squared, and volume is feet cubed. So if you look at the ratio of the radii, 3 over 2, and you look at the ratio of the area, 9 over 4, we can see that 3 over 2 squared is equal to 9 over 4. So what do we write? We write the ratio of the radii squared is the ratio of the areas. Oh, yes, is the ratio of the area. And that's it. And that wraps up 1.9.